Hey guys, Civil Defense Southerner speaking, and today I just heard a fire alarm event going on at this condo complex. The one that you see in the light blue, the mint color. There's a fire alarm event right there. See where those strobe lights are flashing? There is a fire alarm event. There's a fire alarm event right there. There's a fire alarm event right there. It's going off. Don't know why it's going off, but I'm coming to take a closer look at it. Not really, but I'm gonna witness it. Really loud, very noisy and brutal. I don't know what happened, but it just went off. Looks like there are people who might be evacuating or going back in. It's a system sensor spectral alert advanced alarm set that has went off, and they're the loudest alarms ever. Even my school has them. Because there's another vacation home rental agency just down the street that had a fire alarm event back in November, and I went out to record that one. And now I'm recording this one. First I thought it was a Dollar General over there, but over there, but I realized it was this one. Well, I got to get going right now. I got to get back home because it's almost dark out, but I just wanted to show you this fire alarm event. Thank you for watching. Bye.